Okay, Toronto, let's keep it real. The housing market, it's not just slowing down, it's freezing. New numbers just came in, and they are some of the worst we have seen in over 10 years. But don't worry, I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to explain what's really going on and in simple words so you can protect yourself and maybe even spot an opportunity. So hit like if you're tired of fluffy headlines. Let's get into it. According to Toronto's April market report, home sales are dropped by 23% compared to last year. That's not a little dip, that's a major drop. More homes are getting listed, up 8%, but fewer people are buying. So, we've got a lot of homes, but very few buyers. Want to know how bad it is? In the first 4 months of 2025, we had around 18,000 homes sold. But back in 2021, that number was 47,000. That's a 60% drop in activity. And if you have been feeling like things are off in the housing world, you are right. And you know why now. And now you know why. So what about prices? If sales are dropping, are homes finally cheaper? Good question. Yes, prices are down, but not crashing. The average selling price is now about 1.17 million, which is about 4% lower than last year. Condos dropped around 6%. Detached home in Toronto dropped almost 7%. Compared to the peak in 2022, we are now 16% below the highest price ever. And if you're buying, yes, homes are cheaper than before, but it's still not cheap. The market is waiting, not crashing. Okay, but if fewer people are buying and prices are dropping, shouldn't this be a good time to buy? Not exactly. Here's why. Interest rates are still high. People who got mortgages at 1.8 to 2% during the pandemic are now facing 4% to 5% renewals. That means your monthly payment can go up to 30 to 40%, and that's a lot. Most families just won't have extra money sitting around. So even if the house is cheaper, the payment might be higher. The pain is already starting. But the big wave of mortgage renewals is still coming to 2026, and this is your heads up. Still thinking of holding your house and renting it out instead? Well, not so fast. There are a lot of rental buildings being finished right now. More rentals, more choice for renters, rents drop. Also, immigration is slowing down, especially temporary residents. That means less demand for rentals. So you might be stuck with a property losing value and rent dropping too. So don't assume renting will always cover your cost. It's time to check your numbers now. So what does the future look like? So are we heading for a crash or a rebound or just more confusion? Most likely, home sales will hit bottom soon and prices will either stay flat or slide slowly for the rest of 2025. In 2026, when fewer homes are being built and more buyers return, the market might tighten again. But not yet, especially in the condo market, which may stay oversupplied till 2027 or 2028. We are not in a crash, we are in a slow burn. And if you understand the timing, you can make smart moves. So, who needs to take action now? If you are a borrower with variable rate, get a plan, don't wait. If you are an investor, recheck your numbers, rents are softening. If you are a buyer, 2025 could be your window, be ready. And if you are a seller, be realistic, price sharp, remember the power has shifted. Drop a comment below, are you planning to buy, sell or hold this year? And listen up Toronto, the housing market is changing fast, media isn't saying much. But you are here because you want to know the true facts, not the noise. And if you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and share it to your friend who needs to hear. Comment your thoughts and I read every one of them. Until next time, stay smart and kind.